You will be amazed by this 2019 Chevrolet Colorado. This vehicle still has fewer than 20,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Chevrolet Colorado, the midsize pickup that makes your off-road adventures fun, safe, and comfortable. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Don't miss out on comfort just because you need a pickup. Get the best of both worlds in the Colorado.